and today I'm going to show you in this video how to use the Zoom video conferencing on WordPress plugin. And once you install the plugin, you will see it in the plugins here. So from here you should navigate to the settings page to first configure the plugin. Here we need two things, that's the API key and the API secret key. I've already shared a link above to configure these two values. So you can get those two values here and click Save Changes. And as soon as you configure these values, you will see a number of options here under the Zoom meetings and a shortcode here. This shortcode can be used on any of your WordPress page or post or even a Learn Dash course to show the Zoom video conferencing on that page. So let's just quickly add a meeting and see how it works. So this is the meeting page where you can add your meeting. The host is the meeting host, and you have to select your admin user. And these are the options to set the time and date of the meeting. So you can set the meeting according to your time zone and the date. The other options here are optional. So I've just quickly created this meeting. So once you have created the meeting, on the meeting list page, you will see all your meetings that you have created. And this is the meeting ID that's used on the shortcode that was here on the settings page. So you can copy the shortcode from here and paste it on any of your page. And this is the meeting ID that you need to add inside your shortcode. So I've created a test page and I've added the shortcode here. So here's the Zoom API that's been integrated on this page. So let's just change one thing and see if the time has not yet started for the meeting. And there's a countdown that's being displayed on the page. So if the meeting has not started, the users will be able to see a countdown for the starting time. And once the countdown is over, then the user will be redirected to the Zoom page where they can start the meeting. So this is the admin user from where you can initiate the meeting. And I have opened one more user here that will join the meeting. So once the countdown is over, the Zoom API will show this window where we can begin the meeting. So if you're an admin user, you can just click here. You don't have to download and run the Zoom software on your computer. You can just use the browser to just begin the meeting from the browser. So you'll see a link here to join from the browser. And if you're an admin user, you have to sign in to Zoom first to begin the meeting. So just sign in to your Zoom account and then visit the page again. So once you are logged in from your Zoom account, then you will be able to start the meeting as a host. And once the admin has started the meeting, then users can join in. So this is in my incognito mode. So user can join the meeting because the host has already started the meeting. So let's see how it works. So it will ask me my name if I am a user who is joining the meeting. So here I see that student 1 has joined in, and these all options are the standard Zoom calling option that you will see here. So you can manage the participants, share screen, or begin the chat, or you can zoom in or zoom out the window. So these are all the Zoom options that the Zoom API provides. And once the meeting is over, the host can simply click leave meeting and end the meeting. And there is one more setting on the Zoom meetings page where the host can click the end meeting button. This is important because if you don't click this button, then users will be shown the page again and they won't be notified that the meeting is over. So in order to stop the users, just click this button once the meeting is over, that is end meeting. And now if the users visit the page, they will see the message that the meeting has ended. You can also resume the meeting, and if you resume it, then you can again start the meeting. So this is how it works, and I hope it's useful.